Hi and welcome to this auto-emotional presentation for a rather snazzy Mercedes C200 compressor. As you can see here, presented in brilliant silver metallic, the car has lots of awesome features to make your drive that much more convenient and pleasurable as you get from A to B, and it's being offered at a really surprisingly low price, to be honest. I think the owner is about to leave the country, just needs to get rid of the vehicle. It's already been tested and passed by the RTA, so you've got nothing to worry about. Get your insurance in place and job done. As you can see, of course, proudly at the front is the three-pointed star, and being the W203 body shape, it's got the twin one-piece headlights. Sounds weird, but that's what they are. Crystal clear as well. These tend to go quite foggy actually, but the owner's taken very good care of the vehicle. As you can see, alloys there also in really good condition, and Goodyear tires, of course, just passed as mentioned. Brand new Bosch wipers and the McVie, as it's known here in the UAE, present and correct. You've also got the sensor for the rain sensing wipers, indicators built into the power electric mirrors. There's two things, in fact there's three things that we'll say on this vehicle that need attending to. One is a valet. It's got a beige interior, so you know, normal wear and tear on the vehicle has seen some discoloration, but the seats are in absolutely perfect condition. The leather's not torn or damaged in any place, so actually kept rather well, to be honest. There are also a few honest dents. It's a nightmare sometimes when you park in car parks and people just park next to you and just open the doors willy-nilly, so that hasn't really deterred from the value of the vehicle. Though again, as you can see, the rear seats just look as though no one's ever sat in them. Armrest there with cup holders, electric windows working throughout as well. From the rear three-quarter view, you can see again, very nice tidy vehicle, front and rear factory fitted parking sensors and compressor. For those of you who know, that means turbo, so it's a small 2-litre engine, so it's going to get you nice fuel economy but also power as and when you need it. Huge boots on these things, which is one reason why they were always very popular with whomsoever bought them. And you know, just practical design from Mercedes. So little catch there to show you spare wheel, all the tools are in place. You've also got the medical supply and the fire extinguisher as well. Inshallah you'll never need that but there in case you ever need to assist someone else. And again, quite a nice tidy car actually. It's got a nice rake to the front, so it looks quite sporty from any angle. Again, alloys in very good condition, and again on the door just some slight blemishes, but here at Auto Emotional we'll always give you our honest opinion on the vehicle and tell you what we feel the car needs. All the electrics work perfectly, and again, you know, tiny little mark on one of the rear seats, but apart from that, very nice condition. Electric mirrors, as mentioned, of course, electric seats there too. These are original Mercedes floor mats. They've always been covered, so they're in pretty good condition. It's basically just slight markings on like the door itself, actually, the grab handle. Nothing to deter any future owner. So a rather nice Mercedes for someone. And as we jump out of the glorious sun we are blessed with here in Dubai, and we jump in, you'll see when we start the vehicle, I think it's just one indicator light that needs attending to, but apart from that all the warning lights come on and go out as they are intended to as well. So electric windows all the way around. We're not going to demonstrate them working, although of course they do. The car's just been valeted, so we don't want watermarks throughout the cabin and on the glass. Automatic headlights there, as you can see. You've also got the electric mirrors left and right. Those of course function, that being the drivers switching across, that being the passengers as well. Seats are electric, those work, and as we scroll through the binnacle using the touch controls on the steering kilometer, you can see you can adjust lots of setting, lighting, convenience, the time, the language, so on and so forth on this particular Mercedes. And a very nice free revving engine, 2-litre as mentioned, so good economy but great power as well because it's a compressor. AC, of course, you cannot feel it, but you certainly can hear the compressor going, and it's actually just had some work done on the AC as well, which is good to know as we've got the summer months coming up as well. I'll turn that down so you can hear me a bit better. And the original Mercedes audio system as well, and remember our sister company Audio Direct can upgrade that for you if required, but it's got all the radio CD and CD changer facilities there as well, and of course you can scroll through all of that on the steering column too. The AC, as mentioned, blowing ice cold, and of course front and rear parking sensors, and that beautiful Mercedes gearbox too. Got good storage space in the armrest as well for all of your goodies and your toys, and there's one reason why the vehicle is in such good condition actually, and we'll just show you that. It's got loads and loads of paperwork and service history actually. All the original books are present and correct. You've got loads of paperwork, loads of receipts there as well, all the user manuals too, and even in this Mercedes cover you've also got all user documentation. Nice double gallery glove box there, very, very handy. SRS airbags throughout as well, because you know this is a Mercedes, so it's going to be a super safe vehicle. And all in all, it's just a really nice car. Again, even airbags into the side doors as well on the front. So a beautiful Mercedes compressor, looking for a new home, and we're pretty sure the first person who sees it is going to buy it because it's going to be offered at a really nice price. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this presentation by AUTOEMOTIONAL.